Mga halaman guys, ang daming mga bulaklak oh. Mga bulaklak. Dito yan guys sa ano, sa sports ground. Nandito ako sa labas. Sports ground yan guys. May mga nag-exercise doon, nagtatatakbo. Hi guys, good afternoon. Tayo ay nag-exercise dito sa may ano, sa may football stadium. I don't know how they call that, like sports ground I mean. So just to burn some excess fat, excess calories, everything. I'm not fit because I've been running for like 10 minutes now, and tingnan nyo yung haba ng court, yung football court na tinatakbo ko. So ayan guys, I can see that I am not fit because I'm catching my breath and I haven't done any workout for such a long time. But I'm sweating. I'm glad I'm sweating a lot, and that is good. But the problem is I'm just catching my breath right now. Okay, let's continue. I'm so tired. Ang hirap mangayayat. Anak ng pating. Ito lang ang ano, ito lang ang tanggalin ko, okay na. I mean, ito lang ang palitin ko tiyan. Okay na. Oh, parang buntis ang tatlo. Anak ng pating. I'm catching my breath. That means I'm not fit to run. Oh, it's hard to lose weight. Ayan oh, laki. Laki ng tiyan. Oh. Magandang mag-exercise dito guys, kasi dito sa tabi niya dyan, ano kaya may playground din dyan, o kaya yung mga bata nanggaling sa school, kasi school lang dyan sa tabi nito. Tapos after school they will come to the park or to this ground to do their football or playing balls, anything. There's a basketball court as well over there, and yeah, a lot of students, kids with their parents to come over to the park here to do their running workouts and play. Tsaka dito hindi na kailangan ng mask, so you can run free without using the mask, and that's really good. Oh, I'm sweating, but I'm glad I'm sweating. Oh, ayan guys, oh, tour ko kayo. Ayan oh, dyan highway na rin doon sa kabila. Tapos malawak ito na ano. Tapos yan, school na rin dyan. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Yung tapos presko ang hangin. Meron ding ibon na nag-exercise dito kasama ko. Ayan. Palakad-lakad lang. Really gloomy today, guys. Ayan, no. Parang ang weather niya ay parang uulan, may bagyo, hindi mo maintindihan. Parang napaka lungkot ng panahon. Ayan, no. So, mapuno siya, malilim. Pero ang gandang magtatatakbo dito, guys. Ang daming mga bata dito pag weekend. Yan. Naglalaro sila. Kaya siya ganyan, guys, na naglumi siya yung makulimlim panahon kasi mula na ng winter. Tapos na ang summer dito, so nagsisimula ng pa-winter, medyo mahangin-hangin at saka medyo malamig na yung panahon. So winter is on the way. Kaya habulin natin ang init ng ng panahon para makapagpawis. So that's all for today, guys. I'll see you again on my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.